You think you can't stop? That it's just a habit you're stuck with forever? Listen, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to rewire your brain, break free from the urge, and stop masturbation in just 30 days. No fluff, no fake motivation. This is the plan that works. Here's the truth. Masturbation might feel harmless, but when it's a daily habit, it's draining your energy, killing your focus, and making you numb to real-life experiences. You feel lazy, unmotivated, and stuck in a cycle you didn't choose. And I get it. You've tried to quit before. You made promises, maybe lasted a week, but the urge came back stronger. That's because you've been fighting willpower with willpower. And that's not the real battle. The real battle is rewiring your brain. Day one starts with awareness. You don't have a masturbation problem, you have a trigger problem. Maybe it's boredom, stress, loneliness, or scrolling through certain content. For the next 30 days, write down exactly when the urge hits and what triggered it. This alone will make you 50% stronger because you can't defeat an enemy you can't see. Here's the mistake most people make. They try to remove the habit without replacing it. You need a combat habit, something you do instantly when the urge comes. Push-ups, cold showers, going outside, calling a friend. Your brain needs a new path to follow. Every time you interrupt the cycle, you're weakening the old wiring and building a new one. Porn and masturbation hijack your brain's reward system. That's why real life feels boring in comparison. For 30 days, cut out porn completely. Zero exceptions. Reduce other high dopamine hits like endless scrolling, junk food, or gaming. When your brain isn't overloaded, normal life starts feeling exciting again. Don't do this alone. Tell a trusted friend or join an online accountability group. Track your streak daily and make it visible. Seeing that number grow becomes addictive in a good way. If you slip, don't start from zero emotionally. Analyze why it happened and get back up immediately. The most powerful weapon against urges? A mission. When your day is filled with goals that actually excite you, gym, learning, building something, your brain doesn't have space to obsess over instant pleasure. Every time the urge hits, ask yourself, does this help my future self or rob from it? So here's the challenge. 30 days, full focus, no porn, replace the habit, track your streak, fill your life with purpose. Do this and I promise, your confidence, energy, and focus will transform faster than you think. If you're serious, type day one in the comments right now. This is not just a video, this is your turning point. Let's win this together.
Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and follow every point which I have mentioned in the video. Please share this video as much as you can, and I have a link in the description box of WhatsApp channel link where you can join and reclaim and reboot your brain. This is very powerful channel I have created.